Sheesh, bro. Daming shorties.
Shorties ka dyan. Mga binibini yan.
Ay, sorry beha. Ganto lang ako eh. Pasensya ka na.
Loh, long coat yarn? Teka nga, kala ko ba may mga tuturuan pa tayo?
Ha?
Hotdog. Tigil mo na nga yung paghahanap mo ng shorties. Magturo na tayo.
Ito bastos talaga kausap, no? Bahala na si Bretman.
Hays, ewan ko sa'yo. Anyways, hi! Kamusta? Ako nga pala si Jannah. At yung kausap ko kanina, yun si Angela. Andito kami at yung iba pa naming kagrupo para turuan kayo ng basic steps in folk dance. So, tara, sayo na tayo. One arm curtsy. For the boys, raise one arm sideward, step 1 foot sideward. Raise one arm overhead, bring 1 foot in rear. Arm down sideward, 1 foot is pointed in front and the body leans forward. Do the same to the other side.
For the girls, raise warm arm sideward. Raise arm overhead, bring 1 foot in rear. Arm down sideward, kneel in rear, other foot placed in front.
Arm curtsy. For the boys, open arms sideward, step 1 foot sideward. Arms in circle, raise overhead, 1 foot in rear. Arms down sideward with a graceful curve, 1 foot is pointed in front and the body leans forward. Do the same to the other side.
For the girls, open arms sideward, step 1 foot sideward. Arms in circle, raise overhead, bring 1 foot in rear. Arms down sideward with a graceful curve, 1 foot is pointed in front and the body leans forward.
Step close. Step right foot sideward. Step left foot close to right. And pause. Step left foot sideward. Step right foot close to left. And pause.
Bleking. Step right foot sideward. Place left heel in front. Step left foot sideward. Heel right foot in front. right sideward. Point left foot in front. Step left foot sideward. Point right foot in front.
Waltz balance. Step right foot sideward. Step left foot close to right. Raise both heels. Step left foot sideward. Step right foot close to left. Raise both heels.
Slide step. Slide right foot sideward. Step left foot close to right. Slide left foot sideward. Step right foot close to left.
Step brush. Step right foot sideward. Brush left foot in front. Step left foot sideward. Brush right foot in front.
Step raise. Step right foot sideward. Raise your left foot in front. Step left foot sideward. Raise your right foot in front.
Step swing. Step right foot sideward. Swing left foot in front. Step left foot sideward. Swing right foot in front.
Step hop. Step right foot sideward. Raise left foot in front. Hop on right. Step left foot sideward. Raise right foot in front. Hop on left.
Waltz. Step right foot sideward, count 1. Step left foot close to right, count 2. Step right foot in place, count 3. Step left foot sideward, count 1. Step right foot close to left, count 2. Step left foot in place, count 3.
Cross waltz. Step right across to left in front, count 1. Step left sideward, count 2. Step right foot close to left, count 3. Step left foot across to right in front, count 1. Step right foot sideward, count 2. Step left foot close to right, count 3.
Mazurka. Slide right foot sideward, count 1. Hop on left foot, count 2. Cut right foot in front, count 3. Slide left foot sideward, count 1. Hop on right foot, count 2. Cut left foot in front, count 3.
And ayun, yun lamang po ang basic steps in folk dance. Salamat sa panonood at sana po ay nakatulong kami.
Oh, tapos na tayo magturo ah. Baka naman pwede na ako maghanap ng shorties.
Kulit mo talaga. Bahala ka dyan.
Uy, teka. Parang nakita ko na yung shorty ah.
Ha? Asan?
Lah, tingnan mo to. Kunwari pang ayaw kanina eh. Gusto din pala. Eto, tingnan mo.